The concept of the deficient order is central to MarginDriver's mission of helping e-commerce sellers achieve their optimal price points and increase their gross profit margins and overall profitability. MarginDriver's definition of a deficient order is any order that falls below the user's minimum acceptable gross profit dollar amount, gross profit margin percentage, or product markup. The deficient orders feature provides the user with an analytical tool designed to identify these orders as soon as possible. Early identification of these deficiencies provides the opportunity to correct them before they can become a significant drag on the company's overall profitability. Users can identify deficient orders using the following criteria: gross profit less than a certain dollar amount, gross profit margin less than a certain percentage, product markup less than a certain value, and product sales price less than a certain dollar amount. In addition to the standard MarginDriver sales channel and date filters, the deficient orders page also allows you to filter by weight. Because shipping cost is often the greatest variable in e-commerce order profitability, the weight filter can be extremely useful for honing in on the impact that heavy orders are having on margins and profitability. Identifying these orders and developing strategies to eliminate them can make a dramatic impact on your margins. You may even be able to make more money while doing less work simply by identifying and eliminating these profit-draining orders.